How to select multiple intersecting objects in Autocad. Solution. This feature is controlled by FS or Fast Select command. It works on lines, polylines, circles, arcs, attribute definitions, text, mtext, ellipse and images. The function of this command is controlled by FS mode variable. When FS mode is set to off, the default, FS selects only those objects that are touching the selected object. When FS mode is set to on, FS selects all the objects that are touching the selected object as well as any objects that are touching those objects. See how it works. Here you can see that we have created rectangle, circle, arc and polyline and all are touching with each other. Run FS command and select the polyline. You can see that both polyline and arc are selected only. Run FS mode and turn it on. Now run again FS command and select the polyline. Now you can see that all the touching objects are selected. Now we see on attribute single text and multi-text. Run FS command and select the mtext. You can see that both text and mtext are selected only. Run FS mode and turn it on. Run again FS command and select the mtext. Now you can see that all the touching objects attribute text and mtext are selected. Now we see on image ellipse and line. Run FS command and select the line. You can see that both line and ellipse are selected only. Run FS mode and turn it on. Run again FS command and select the line. Now you can see that all the touching objects image ellipse and line are selected. So by the help of this command you can select multiple intersecting or touching objects easily. Thanks for watching.